What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get right into some juicy alpha. This sucker's been on my radar for a long time. I've been waiting to bring it to the channel. Everything is aligning. The stars are aligned just right. The moon is moving into position. We are almost ready to fire all of our weapons. I'm so excited for this one. LoudPunx is a Genesis NFT collection created by Rolling Loud and represents Rolling Loud's first major step into the world of Web3. LoudPunx is a collection of utility-enabled NFTs, will provide global entry into every Rolling Loud music festival, New York, Miami, Portugal, Toronto, Thailand. Guys, this is access to all the shows. If you want to go and check every single show out and you hold a LoudPunx NFT, guess what? The doors are open to you. Come on in, enjoy the show. Public mint February 3rd. Guys, it's right around the corner. You're gonna wanna do it. You're gonna wanna pay for it. Do it. Just give them your money, dude. So that you could flip it. Patty cake, baker's man, dirty flipper. I sell it to this guy for a triple. February 3rd is the mint day. The mint price is 1.5 ETH, which is a lot of money. Right now, at the current price of Ethereum, it's around $2,500. We like this. We really, really like paying 1.5 ETH. We think it's super reasonable price for an NFT that has so much value packed right into it. It's all bundled right into the NFT itself. It is the alpha. Supply 5,555. If I get the option to mint, I'm absolutely pulling the trigger. 1.5, I would mint multiple. Like, come on, this is a no-brainer. Lifetime access. You get to go to as many shows as you want, which is huge, right? This is absolutely fat, guys. So step one, if you're interested in this project, you're definitely gonna have to follow them on Twitter, participate in what they're calling Loud List, which is basically their version of an allow list or white list. What you do is you go into their Discord, you interact, you ask questions, you participate. They're doing giveaways currently on Twitter, which are pretty easy to participate in. You just usually like, retweet, follow their channel, and then also leave a comment if you feel inclined. So that's as of right now, that's how you're gonna get access to the allow list. As soon as these things start minting, you're gonna see them on the secondary market going for at minimum double. There's gonna be a lot of people interested in owning this NFT. I'm calling it now. LoudPunx will sell for 5 ETH right off the jump, stabilize somewhere around 3 ETH. At minimum, the people who mint this NFT will double their money, guaranteed. You'll turn 2,500 to 5,000 easily. Like, that's my call. Not financial advice. I love you guys. Do your own research. I'm one nerd, one brain. How could I possibly know this for sure? I can't, but I do. It's gonna pop, all right? And that's why you tune into the Balfa channel. This is why you're here. A little edge on the competitors. And we got that. And I just give it out for free for you guys. Because this shit is fun for me, guys. This is a lot of fun. I love doing it. I want to take as many people on the ride as possible. Guys, we're all sitting around staring at our phones for hours each day. Why would we not pay attention to things that we could make money with? Like, it's a no-brainer. If you're into catching concerts and going to festivals, this one's for you guys. Check it out. And thank you guys for tuning in. I'm glad you guys are here. Do yourself a favor. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you like the content. If you don't, freaking piss off, right? Get on out of here. Move on to the next video. All right, guys.